Hey guys, I'm just making a quick video to show you how to get to all of the senior portfolio documents. So you're going to just look for Cajon High School web page. That should come up immediately. Go ahead and click to the home. Right, you're going to go to counseling pages. Once you hover over it, it'll show you senior portfolio. You want to go ahead and click on that. Right. And then you're going to scroll down. So you're going to go ahead and scroll down. You're going to go to Google page with senior portfolio documents right here. Okay, you're going to go ahead and click on this icon here, senior portfolio documents. Right, and all of the documents will be right here. So if you scroll down, you'll see all of them. We will go through them together in class, as well as I will have a schedule posted soon as to how to when these documents are due and when the portfolio is due. All right, any questions about that, you can always ask me later. And if you have any other questions, email me, hit me on Remind or Instagram.